Hello everybody, Fakeaway Wednesday. This one's going to be chaos again like last week. It's going to be a nightmare. It's going to be Nat's favourite. So let me show you what we're going to do. I have already prepared all the stuff, easier for me. Right then, these are my ingredients for one recipe. I'm going to do 3. So it's going to be hectic. I'm going to do our Nat's favourite, sweet and sour chicken. I got all this recipe off a Chinese website. So instead of going through all the stuff that I'm going to do, I'll just leave a link in the description. It'll be a lot easier because I've got stuff all over the kitchen. I've also bought one of these. Let me show you. To make it easier for me, these little deep fat fryers. I got that from Aldi for $17.99 when I got it this morning. It's not the best and it's really small. It's really flimsy as well. So I wouldn't really buy one because I got my air fryer and that. But I thought it'd be convenient for me. But if you're thinking of buying one of them, I really wouldn't. Because it's really, really plasticky. I'll show you when I use it. So first things first, then we want to make the sauce for the sweet and sour. So, right, for the sweet and sour sauce, first things first, we're going to, I've got the instructions out here. Pouring in the vinegar and the sugar and stir that till it dissolves. Now it just says vinegar. I thought it meant white wine vinegar, but no, it's just vinegar apparently. I don't know why. Put in the ketchup. I say I'll leave the link to everything that I'm using. The ketchup, tomato puree and Worcestershire sauce. Give it a mix. It smells very, very vinegary at the minute. They did say in the website it won't come out as red as in the Chinese. I don't know why. It says if they just use red food colouring, but maybe you should put some more ketchup in it or something, I suppose. I'm not sure. Right, that's ready for a minute. So put that away for one side. And while I'm here with the pan, I'm just going to fry my onions up. Because it says you do the wok, do it in the wok, but I can't do it in the wok, so I want to do my egg fried rice, which I'm doing. So I'm just going to fry my onions up and my peppers. Get them all in for a couple of minutes. Right, while they're frying up a minute, I'm just going to show you this because I want to get this on anyway. So I want to put this on low. Now this is it, look, I mean that's really flimsy if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that, I'll probably lift you up. Look. And it's really tiny and all. I mean it does say mini one. But I wouldn't trust this, to be honest with you. It's really, I don't feel safe using it, to be fair. But it'll do me for doing what I'm doing. But just be careful if you buy one. Now we've got to let that warm up to get to temperature. Right, I've got one chicken breast. It's only a small one because I only Nat having it. That's easy enough. Now I got an egg, but I only need half an egg, a bit of pepper, bit of salt, some corn flour, and there's the pineapples which are going in the sauce in a bit. So with the chicken, you're just going to put a bit of salt on, to your liking, and a bit of pepper. Get it on there. And you want half the egg. Get it coated up. And then the corn flour. And mix that all together. Right, I had to put a bit more corn flour in, there wasn't quite enough. I put it on a plate, that's ready to go. I'm going to turn the onions and everything off now. Right, let's see if that's hot or warmed up. Seems to be warmed up. Now, because it's only tiny, so I'm going to get a bit closer. Yeah, I don't trust this with the handles or anything. I'll probably have to do a couple of pieces at a time. I'm going to stick 2 in On a low heat, it says, for 3 minutes, and then turn it up to full power. So we'll see. So I've got a few, so I'll do them all. Right, while they're cooking away, I'm going to start the next one. Another chicken breast, bit of flour, bit of plain water, bit of salt, and a bit more salt and pepper, which I want to put on the chicken before I do anything else. Bit of pepper. You want a tablespoon of self-raising flour out of here. Pour it over, give it a, get it all coated, like so. Just leave that aside for a minute. And get your water in your flour. Obviously make it sort of like a batter. And a bit of table salt. So if it's a little bit thick, just add a little bit, got to put a bit of oil in it. So, but you want it thick, but not too thick. That's quite thick, that does. I'm going to stick a drop more water in there. And then a little drop of vegetable oil. Just gives it that shine. There we go. And we'll leave that to rest for 10 minutes. Right, I've done all them. I've let them cool down for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to double fry them now, just to get the extra crispiness. Put them last two in a minute. Only needs about a minute or so. Right, while them last two are doing, I'm going to... I've started the sauce. I just want to get some of this in. Not a lot. I did do far too much. I thought it'd have been a bit more sauce than that, to be honest with you. Well, that'll do. I'm going to get my pineapple in. I say this is only serving one, so I suppose, yeah. Get the fat off this, the grease off this chicken. And we'll get it in there. Probably won't need all these. You just get it all a coat. Probably far too much chicken here, look. Loads of chicken. Get it all coated. Seems a bit... Oh well, we'll see. We'll see. It does look a bit like it actually, but to be fair, but apart from it's a bit... the colour. What that's doing anyway. Right, I've had to move this. Got no room over there. Now I want to dip my chicken. And I've already coated it, but the coat seems to have gone off it, but oh well. So my chicken balls. One at a time, get it fully coated. Get one in. But I have to do one at a time. So we'll let them do their things for a bit. Right, I've got my wok. While they're going away, I'm going to be doing my egg fried rice. I've made loads of rice, look, I made that this morning first thing, it's been in the fridge. Don't need that much, that's for sure. And I've got myself 2 eggs, mashed up. So I'll just let that heat up a minute. I've been trying to get this out. It's all stuck on the bottom, look. Can't get it. Thought maybe if I crunch it up a bit more, it's all gone through the basket. So what I'm just going to have to do is stick them in there on its own, I think. So I'll just stick them straight into there itself. Be able to get a couple on then anyway, won't I? At a time. It was looking nice, all them balls were. I don't know if you can see that, can you? You see that? Coming up nice, look. Right, wok's boiling hot. I'm going to get the egg in, I'm going to fry that up for about 30 seconds, it shouldn't take long. Into a scrambled egg. Now I'm taking the egg out first. Right, what I've done, I've cleaned the wok up, because I don't want to get burnt egg in the bottom. I have oiled it a bit, a bit of ice in, a bit too much oil there, bit of mash. Break up all your lumps. There you go. I'm getting the egg in. bit of soy sauce or a bit of oyster sauce. I'm putting oyster sauce in mine, I think. I've got a big bottle full of it. I ain't putting no peas in or nothing, because I don't like peas. I'm just going to put a little drop of this in. Get that taste. And just fry it up. We're nearly ready to go. Took me about half hour to do all this, which ain't bad, I don't think. Right guys, we are done. I've just got that warming up for a minute. There's my chicken balls, look. Oh, somebody at the door. Door. Hello, mate. Takeaway, mate. Tip would be nice. Yeah, tell your boss. Lower his prices. Nah, takeaway's there. You know, that delivery driver, you right, cheeky get that delivery driver was. Bab. That delivery driver was right, cheeky git. Was it? Yeah, asked me for a tip. Right then, let's have a look then, eh? Let's get it out. Just thought I'd try something different for a laugh. Right then, let me show you.
Don't say that, we need it.
Yeah, you eat it. Go on, Bab, you open.
Thank you.
Just go in order along the line. Okay. Let's have a look.
Excuse me, I've got my dressing going on.
I don't know it's freezing any.
It's cold.
My chicken balls. You like balls, don't you, Bab? You like them balls, don't you?
No, I like chicken balls.
Yeah, that's what I said. You like them balls? You're a prat. Oh, look at that. Nat's favourite.
Oh my God, that's my favourite.
Ooh.
Put them back on so it keeps the heat in.
Sweet and sour chicken. I don't know whether it's sour or not. I don't know. I only tried it because I don't like that. Oh. And...
Oh my God, fried rice.
Fried rice?
No way, that's very nice.
No,
Well
nice.
done. Yeah. Oh.
Take the lids off so I can take a
Oh,
thumbnail.
sorry.
Play another thumbnail.
That looks amazing, that does.
There we go. Let's have a thumbnail.
It looks really nice.
There we go. Thumbnail. Looks nice, doesn't it? Took me about half hour to do the lot.
That's not bad.
That's all yours. Cause
Is that all mine?
Well, yeah, because I won't eat that, will I?
Oh, thank you.
Sweet and sour.
Oh, it looks amazing.
I don't know how sweet and sour it is, Bob, because I haven't even tasted it because I don't like it, so let's get it dished up. Want some egg fried rice?
I'll just have a little bit on the side of my plate, please.
Do yourself some. There's the egg fried rice. There's Nat's having hers.
Yeah, right, tastes like
What's it look like? Taste like? Does it taste nice? Does it
Yeah,
taste like it?
Yeah.
Does it? I got it from a Chinese website. Does it taste like it?
Exactly the same.
Does it? I'm good, ain't I? I'm clever sometimes. Try chicken ball? No? Too much? Let me try one. I haven't done no dip for the chicken balls because it's sweet and sour and she's got sweet and sour there. So, is it nice? Is that nice?
Do you want to try just a little bit?
No, because I won't like, I'll just say no, I don't like it because of the sweet and sour.
That is amazing. Is that all you've had?
Yeah, fried rice. Egg fried rice and some chicken balls.
What do you make sour curry?
I'm an octopus. I've got hands everywhere. I thought I'd make you one today.
Prawn crackers?
Oh, I've got them. I bought some. Yeah, I bought some.
It's very good for me.
Just for the content. I won't make me any of them. No way. Enough going on.
So you've made this just for me today?
Yeah, just for you.
Oh my God, Bob, you're so amazing. Thank you. Oh, that's so kind of you.
Hush.
This is nice, man.
Tastes just like chicken balls. The Chinese ones. Oh, yeah.
This tastes just like sweet and sour Cantonese.
Does it? Is there enough sweet and sour in there? Is it? Perfect.
Perfect.
And that knows her sweet and sour because she loves it, don't you?
Oh, I love sweet and sour. Especially Cantonese style.
Well, egg fried rice is nice as well, isn't it? I think I've done a really good job here.
Yeah, amazing. That just tastes just like a proper Chinese. Even better actually, because that is a little bit more tastier.
Is it?
I'm not just saying it.
I can't. It's not worth wasting time me trying because I just won't like it. So.
I can't believe you made this for me today.
Yeah, made it for you and I made it for.
Yeah, but you've not made it for curry.
Oh, just have it fried rice and some food. It doesn't bother me. Fine by me. Thought I'd do that for you today. Next week I'll do a vindaloo and she won't like that, so then she'll have to starve. Enjoying it? Proper enjoying it, ain't you, Babby? And right stuck in it, yeah? Yeah, I think that was about £1, I think, then, from Aldi. I did buy them for the content.
That is so nice, Bab. Thank you.
Yeah, that's okay.
Amazing.
I know the video's probably all over the place with me moving things and that, but that's what you get in it, you know. But never mind, I'll eat my rice. You trying a chicken ball? Huh?
No, you eat them.
No, not I won't eat all them. I'm the laugh. Have one. You like them chicken ball? Take the chicken ball in your sweet and sour.
No, thank you.
There's a small one there.
No, thank you.
Goes well with that oyster sauce in this. Instead of soy sauce. It does. There's a little bit of that fishy taste. Nice. I didn't know whether that'd be too runny. That sauce, you know. No?
Perfect.
There you go then. Sorted. Try a small chicken ball. Really nice. And tastes just like it. 100% just like it. Right, there we go then. Takeaway. Wednesdays. I say, sweet and sour Cantonese style chicken, egg fried rice, chicken balls. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Must be nice, you know, get it all. Big portion of it, well, Bab.
That's so nice.